All right, today I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me. I'm gonna do everything but my skin because in a separate video, I'm gonna be doing a review of the Tier Mask Fit Red Cushion Mask Shield Enriched Cup. What? Is that what it's really called? When they say mask fit, do they mean like pandemic? Oh yeah, literally. I feel like I've never heard people call it that. Literally mask fit red cushion foundation. Oh, okay. Well, I'm gonna try that. I'm also going to try the concealer. Got this one, the Glide and Hide Blurring Concealer. I've wanted to try these for such a long time and I just never did. But today I'm going to. In a separate video, because this one is going to be a get ready with me where and that's not just a get ready with me, but like I wanna do my eyes really beautiful for today's video. I have these lashes, where are they? Right here. These are the Ardell Naked Lashes. I'm actually just going to a t-ball game tonight. My son's t-ball game. It's so cute. And then after that, I'm going to dinner at the coach's house, who's actually my friend and neighbor. So I'm gonna put these lashes on. I think for today's makeup look, I wanna do like kind of a soft, pretty, this color-ish, gentle wing look, good brows, and really pretty skin. So that's what we're going to do. I gotta find a good palette to use. I don't really know exactly what I'm using, but I wanna kind of match this shirt color, which I'm literally loving so much. This is from today's sponsor, Quince. If you guys have not heard of Quince, this is my first time working with them, but I pray it will not be my last. I am obsessed. I'm truly obsessed. If you don't know who Quince is, they are your one-stop destination for high quality items across all different categories like clothing, home goods, and accessories, all at affordable pricing. From 100% grade A, high quality Mongolian cashmere to buttery soft bamboo bedding, they have 14 karat gold jewelry, cast iron Dutch ovens, and Italian leather bags. Quince literally has it all. And they bring all of the high-end essentials together in one place. They're most known for their $50 cashmere sweaters and their 100% European linen sheets. I'm a linen sheet lover. But they've recently set their sights on the wellness space as well. I've made it no secret that I'm an electrolyte girly. You guys know this about me. I drink them pretty much every single day. They help me to feel better because I chronically have headaches and electrolytes just help me to feel so much better. I don't know why I need so many electrolytes, but I have to have them. And I've been loving these ones from Quince. These are their everyday electrolytes. These have 300 milligrams sodium, 250 potassium, 100 milligrams magnesium, and 2 milligrams zinc. They have citrus, watermelon, and raspberry. Truly, electrolytes always make me feel better and they taste really good, which I really appreciate, and they're free of all the artificial gunk and nonsense. They also have the superfood greens, which taste really good. I've tried a lot of greens powders and I really enjoy the flavor of this one. It's good. It actually tastes good. 78 high impact ingredients in here to support digestion, immunity, energy, and whole body wellness. There's really good ingredients in here too, like wheatgrass powder, apple powder, barley grass, spirulina, chlorella, really, really good stuff that I want my body to have. And it's in a refreshing, naturally flavored formula that just is really good. If you're looking for a good greens powder, this one's really, really nice. Quince only works with factories that use safe, ethical, and responsible manufacturing practices, which obviously it's so important. Plus, all of their wellness products are made in the USA. They're designed to deliver real results with clean ingredients, and they're third-party tested. Their clothes are also so legit. The dress that I've been wearing constantly, you guys have seen me in it. If you've watched my other channel or if you've watched me on this channel, even, you guys complimented it so much. You're like, that green color is the one for your eyes. And this top, it's literally perfect. Thank you so much to Quince for sponsoring today's video. You guys can explore all of Quince's vitamins, supplements, clothing, home decor, everything that they have. You guys can click the link down in the description to get free shipping, and they have a 365-day return policy. Thank you so much to Quince for sponsoring today's video. Let's do makeup. I want to feel so pretty today. I'm responsible for bringing the salad. We're having dinner at my friend's house tonight. Like I said, we're relatively new friends, but friends nonetheless. And she's making like roasted chicken, potatoes, and I'm bringing side salad. Where is an eyeshadow that I can wear? Gonna do a bit of moisturizer first, and then that'll sit on the skin while I'm doing everything else. This is the Okoa, what is it called? I can't ever think of the name. Deep Hydration Moisturizer. Dude, I need deep hydration on my arms. Everything on my body dry as a crisp. We are moisturized. We're gonna let that sink in, and I'm gonna do the eyes. I gotta go find a palette. I know I have one just sitting right here. Guaranteed. Actually, does this... Ooh, okay, so this is the Rare Beauty one. I know they don't even sell this anymore, but it doesn't really matter at this point. This color I really liked, and this one is kind of exactly the color of this shirt. So I think I'm gonna use that one. I need to prime my lids real quick with concealer. I'm just using the Vive concealer for this. I'm gonna use the Tear on the rest of my face, but I don't know. I don't wanna open it up and use it separately before. I wanna give my first impression in the other video. And I'll do a wear test as well. So we've got that on, and now I'm gonna set that with a little bit of powder. This is the whatever you are. What are you? Halo Glow. Speaking of Rare Beauty, if you guys have not seen, I did a video, my last video was testing out a full face of Rare Beauty. And I really, spoiler alert if you didn't watch it, liked it. I mean, I was a little like, with some of it, but you know what? I like it. I've been using it. I really like the, this stuff, the Positive Light Tinted Moisturizer. I do really like it. Okay, so my eyes, I'm gonna be like really blendy with today's look, like really blendy. What do you guys think about the Met Gala? Do you guys even care about the Met Gala? I'll tell you how much I care about it. 0.1%. I do look at the outfits because I'm on the internet. I don't know. It's just all over everything. So I see them. You know what? A little lackluster. I feel like the only outfit that I saw where I was like, oh, that one's kind of cool is Emma Chamberlain. The rest of it was just like weird to be weird. It was also like the year of the nipple. Did anyone else notice that? What's going on with all the nipple clothes? You know, just nipples everywhere. Not even real ones either, totally fake ones. I don't know what kind of weird world we're living in, but you know what? I want off. No, I don't really care. Ultimately, do I care about the Met Gala? No, I don't. But it's fun to, is it fun? No, it's really not fun. It's honestly nothing. I'm using a palette you literally can't use, but doesn't it totally match? Like it really does. Okay, I got my massage, you know, if you watched one of my recent videos, got my massage and now it is time for a facial. I need, what is it, a hydrofacial? I've had one before and I do feel like I liked it. I didn't break out crazy afterwards. I do feel like it was helpful. So I think I need to get another hydrofacial, or if you guys have a recommendation for a facial type or something that would be really beneficial for texture, these under the skin trapped little bumps, please let a mama know. Tell me, help me. It's like no matter what I do, and I mean this, it looks unblended. I swear to you, I can sit here and blend this shit for 5 hours and it's just like there's something going on with this section of my eye. You're an unblended piece of, no you're not. Stop talking to yourself like that. You're fine. You're just an eye. You're just doing your job. It's not your fault. God. Sorry. That looks all right, actually. I feel like I do need a little bit. What I'm gonna do is take a little bit of the Rare Beauty powder and I'm going to just kind of softly diffuse it in with this shade so that it looks a little less, I don't know, like crap. Was that recording? I don't even know if it was recording. That looks pretty. It'll come together. It will. Stop saying it won't. It will. All right, we're gonna do a little wiggle. Little blendy wiggle out here. Just blend more than you think, you know what I'm saying? I like this shape of eye better than I like this shape of eye. We're gonna do a little something. I like the way I did this shape of eye better, how it's like all outer right here focused. I feel like that's giving me the shape I was looking for. And this one's giving me, so I'm gonna fix it real quick and let's just see how we fix it together because this is a makeup channel. Let me just show you. So I hate this, and what I'm gonna do is go like this. And we're gonna take it up here, and we're gonna blend it out, and then we're gonna pat it, and then we're gonna wipe it, and then we're gonna see if we can freaking fix it. We can fix it if we try. With a little bit of this color on a brush. Let's try. And we're gonna focus it on the outer corner and pull it up. And pull it down, and it'll all come together at the end, I swear it will. Trust in me, or I might have to kill you. Just kidding. Okay, I'm gonna clean this up a little bit with a little bit. What is this, powder? It is, but let's see. When I say the weather has been up and freaking down, it literally the other day was 80 degrees outside. I was pouring the hose on the top of my head because it was so hot. And then right now outside, absolutely overcast piece of crap, 50 degrees. What do you mean? Okay, so I'm gonna take this and clean up the edges of this one a little bit, but it will look like this one when we get all the lashes and everything else on. It will, I promise, I promise. Let me eat a grape. Grapes hit, they do. I'm gonna do my brows real quick because this is not, you can't. And when I say that, I really mean it. But what I mean is you sometimes can't tell what your makeup's gonna look like until your brows are on. And I know I'm doing my foundation, I can never say my foundation. I know I'm doing my foundation in a separate video after brows, but a lot of people do brows first. So this is the NYX brow glue, and I've talked to you guys about this. I use this and then I pull it like that, just to kind of flatten the top a little bit. Cause I don't not have very many brow hairs, all right? 16 whole brow hairs I have to brush up. So I'm gonna let those sit for a second and then I push them down so they frickin' stay. And then we're gonna go in with RawBeauty dark brown. I would love to hear from you guys down in the comments. I would like to travel to Montana. This is something that I've gotten in my mind recently and I would like to go. I'm gonna do it road trip style. We're not gonna fly in. I wanna drive because it's only a 12-hour drive from here. Not too bad. And I really just wanna see a different state. I wanna just go to a different place and see what's up. Tell me places I absolutely have to go in Montana. Obviously that's where Yellowstone is. I think Wyoming and Montana. There's also Glacier National Park, but I don't really know, like, is there anywhere that you're like, as you're listening to me, like, no, you have to go to this place? Please tell me. I would love to hear down in the comments. I've never been to Montana and it just looks stunning. I want to make it a point to check out the United States because as much as I want to like travel abroad and do other things like that, the United States is literally stunning and has some of the most beautiful landscapes ever. And so I'd like to like, you know what, before I just go hop on a plane with my 5-year-old, start off road tripping around and seeing what's here literally in the United States, not even that far from us. So I think we're gonna start with Montana. We might even try closer. I mean, we went to Seaside, Oregon a few years ago and it was really, a few years ago, 2016. I wanted to go back every year. I loved Seaside so much. It was so sweet. I think the next place we're gonna try is Montana. So if you guys have any recommendations of places to go when we visit, I would love to know. We're probably gonna rent an RV to do it, so I don't know if we need Airbnb recommendations, but if you guys have like a super sick Airbnb or like hotel recommendations, send them my way. So those brows look a little bit crazy, but when the rest of the makeup gets on, I think it's gonna look fine. So this is Chocolate Soleil Chocolate Caramel Pencil from Too Faced. And I am just gonna take it on right here. Just trying to add a little bit of something different. I'm gonna really clean this up. I know it looks kind of like shit right now, you guys, but you know what? T-ball. And I actually think this is gonna look really pretty when I put a pair of lashes on. I haven't worn lashes in a while because they've honestly been driving me nuts when they start to fall off. It's like, it feels like better than taking my bra off at the end of the day, taking a freaking pair of lashes off. Tossing the lashes on real quick. Like I said, I'm gonna do Ardell Naked, BRB, throwing these on, and I'll be back in 3, 2, 1. See what I mean? I feel like the eyes look really pretty now, and it doesn't feel crazy to me. When the lashes go on, it's like, I feel stunning. Actually, I feel so stunning. Oh, shit. Gonna do Tear. Be right back, and then we will finish off the rest of the face, chat, whatever. If you guys wanna see a review of the Tear foundation, that's coming up next, but spoiler alert, do I even have to say anything? Look at my skin. You gotta wait till you see the application. You gotta wait till you see how much, I cannot with this. You must watch it. If you guys have already tried it, you have been gatekeeping. None of you have been screaming at me about this enough. What is it?
Tony the penguin.
Tony?
Yeah,
Oh, he's cute. Did you find cleats?
Yeah.
You did?
It's gray and black.
Gray and black?
Yeah.
Oh, did you try them on? Are you excited?
Yes.
Oh, I'm gonna hope that makes you run even faster, but you're fast without them.
I'm way faster with them.
You think so?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. I really like Tony. He's cute.
Yeah. I only have one penguin.
Let me see him. Oh. It's Tony, everyone.
I'll eat the fruit salad now before my tea. So it'll get faster.
Yeah.
With my cleats and my string.
Ooh, with your cleats and your strength from your fruit salad.
Now look, I can bend with my strength to here.
Whoa.
I'm almost gonna be stronger than Daddy.
You are gonna be stronger than Daddy. When you get big, you better believe it.
I'll fight him.
Yeah, fight him. Sorry, guys. He's so cute. This is the Happy blush from Rare Beauty. And I don't know if this is the right color for this top. So I'm gonna switch to a different blush made by Mitchell Case. And I think I'm gonna go with this shade here. Let's see. I feel like that's pretty, but I wanna kind of mix it in with this shade here. Cause my top, I just feel like, I don't know, it needs to suit my top. Could my kid be any cuter, by the way? Could he be any cuter? I cannot with him. I love him so much. Oh my God. I know every mom loves their kid, trust me. I'm well aware that like every single mom loves their kid, but oh my God. The way I feel about him is like quite literally all day, every day. I'm like, who knew love could be this crushing? He's too cute. Like it's physically painful to be his mother. There's nothing cuter than T-ball, by the way. He did his little T-ball game. For highlighter, I'm gonna also use the Rare Beauty one. I'm kind of, you know, when you find something you like, you gotta find out when you like it, you gotta do it. I'm gonna try to blend it in with my finger instead of a brush because I feel like sometimes it gets a little overkill. So maybe if I like melt it in with my finger, that actually looks nice. I just couldn't feel prettier. I'm sorry, I couldn't. Okay, I'm gonna try this one because this is the Chocolate Soleil and Chocolate Mousse. This is one of those pencils that can be used on your eyes, lips, face, whatever. I'm gonna do a little bit of, since I used brown for that, I'm gonna use a little bit of the lip gloss that I've been using, the Strobe one from Makeup by Mitchell. Like a little bit, not a ton, but just to add a little bit of pink. All right, that is the finished face of makeup. Again, if you guys want to see the tier like full wear test, it'll be coming soon, so subscribe. But that will be coming soon, and I'm testing that out. And baby girl, if this face of makeup doesn't tell you right now, have I ever looked better? I don't know. I kind of literally feel stunning right now, so I'm just gonna own it and love it, and I love it. And I'm owning it. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for hanging out with me. It's really fun doing makeup again. I'm loving it so much. I'm so glad to like be back in it. You know what I mean? It just took me a minute, and I'm in it again, and I'm in it, and I'm in it, and I'm in it again, and I want to go shopping again. I want to go to Ulta. I want to go to Sephora. I want to go to Target. I want to go to Walmart. I want to go to the store. I want to go to Kohl's. I want to go to them all, and I want to see what's out there. Subscribe, please do. And I thank you guys so much for watching. I will have everything that I use linked down in the description. If you guys click on it, when it'll say like shop the entire makeup look here, you'll click it, and that'll take you to my Shop My, and it has literally every single item that I use linked right in there. So if you guys are interested, that's where it will be. So if you're ever wondering. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!